front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to minimize your app, click on this icon with a line at the top left corner. And then to access it again, click on the bubble. To use your app in full screen view, click on this icon also at the top left corner. And to close your window completely, on this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!